Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Spanish drink called Sangria. It's an easy recipe, and I'm also going to give you some tips to make it easier to serve and to keep everyone happy. If this is your first time, Spanish Taster is all about Spanish recipes and ingredients, so if that's something you're into, please subscribe and click the bell notification, because then you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. Alright, my recipe is in the description below. I'm using a standard bottle of wine, so I'll show you the proportions I put with that. And to the side you can see I'm just using a clean saucepan with a lid. The fruit and alcohol is going to sit in this container for at least 3 hours, so it's good if it's got a cover. Okay, you can see I've got a collection of fruit. Traditionally it should include orange and lemon, but apart from that you can use whatever you want. I've got some apple and peach today. And you might want maybe one more orange and lemon for serving later. We're just cutting the fruit that will sit in the wine into chunks. So about 1 centimeter or 1/2 inch cubes. It doesn't have to be pretty. Make sure the fruit is washed, of course, and take out the seeds on the way. So cut the same size chunks for your lemon as well. I'm using just half the apple and half the peach. Same size chunks, and just put it in the pot. Alright, here comes the alcohol. First some brandy. Mix 1/4 cup with 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of Cointreau. That's an orange liqueur. You could also use peach schnapps or any other fruit flavored liqueurs that you have. For the wine, I'm using a 750 ml bottle. It doesn't have to be anything special because it's going to be in the background. You can even use cask wine for this. So chill this covered for at least 3 hours. 8 hours or overnight is even better. So this is definitely something you can prepare ahead of time for a party or a barbecue. Then after it's chilled for at least 3 hours, I've taken it back out and I've added some freshly squeezed orange juice. And then stir it and squash some of the fruit gently against the side of the pan to release some of the juice from the fruit and also some of the alcohol that the fruit has soaked up back into the liquid. At this point you can taste it and make adjustments. To serve, put some fresh lemon and orange slices in your jug, some of the fruit, you don't need to put all of it, and top with the wine. If you're drinking it straight away, you can pour in some soda. And then pour into your glass over ice. Okay, as far as serving goes, we've had a really hot summer this year, so I've got into the habit of only putting my wine base in the jug because the ice melts too quickly and the soda goes flat almost immediately. So we take the ice and a collection of chilled sodas to the table, and everybody mixes their own strength and their own final flavour. We usually go 30 to 50% of the wine base to soda. I like old-fashioned lemonade soda, but you could use Sprite or 7-Up or just soda water, especially if your fruit or the fruit liqueur that you used was really sweet. And there are 3 great advantages to serving it this way. Number 1, you don't have to get up and refill the jug as often. Number 2, everybody's happy. And number 3, if you don't finish the jug, which is rare, you can keep it in the fridge without it getting diluted or flat. Okay, and that's all there is to it. I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, see you next time.